Spring is around the corner, and the snow is starting to melt. We can see a big mess in the animal paddock, so we're picking this excavator, the right tool for the job, to get everything cleaned up. And I have George with me to help narrate.
Betsy and her friends have left us a big mess. Better check the oil before we get started. Better fill it up with fuel or whatever.
George meant to say fuel.
This equipment uses diesel. Before we get started, we need to level out the topsoil pile. The dump truck might get stuck. The ground is no longer frozen. It's safe to say this is a muddy job. Just need to get a few things out of the way. Better watch out, Pinky, and don't forget Betsy. We have to clean up your mess. And we'll load it all up in here. This is a good place to start this job, even Pinky and Betsy approve. JD must be careful around the barn. This is a stinky job. Good thing you guys can't smell it. Buddy, I hope you're having fun watching this. Looks like everybody wants to help out today. This is definitely a pretty small dump truck, but it can hold more than you think it can. Betsy, I bet you're pretty happy that everything's getting cleaned up. Oh, do you want an ear scratch? I told you this would be a pretty muddy job. Hopefully the dump truck will get up this hill. Good thing it has tracks, not wheels. One load done, many more to go. Piles keep getting bigger. Let's look at the inside. Wow, it looks pretty cool. This is how JD makes it work. The smooth bucket is great for this job. Wow, that's amazing. It's able to scrape the ground. Kia found some snow to roll in. JD's working with his door open. He must not mind the smell. The thumb on the excavator lets him grab on all this muck. Few more scoops, this load is full. Let's take it out back. No problem with this hill with the tracks. Almost feels like you're on a roller coaster. Eee! Remember, no steering wheel, we have to use 2 levers.
Now that spring is almost here, we'll have more excavating jobs off the property, so you'll see different locations, different jobs, different equipment. Stay tuned! So make sure you subscribe. We'll have new videos coming out every Tuesday. We call them Trackhoe Tuesday. And even if we have fewer jobs around the farm, we'll keep you updated on the animals here. Betsy says see you soon. Tequila approved. She says smells much better. Thank you.
One more thing we can't forget to clean. Much better. See you soon.